One app, one video, one chance to go viral. You've seen it. TikTok stars turning their videos into full-time income, no matter how many followers they have. But what if I told you that you can monetize TikTok, even if you're starting from 0 followers? It's not about the number of fans you have. It's about the strategies you use and the content you create. From brand deals to affiliate marketing, there are countless ways to turn your TikTok into a money-making machine. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how to start earning, even if you're just getting started. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to make money from TikTok right now. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can stay on top of all the latest tips for turning your social media into cash. Let's start with TikTok's Creator Fund. What if TikTok itself could pay you for simply creating videos? Even without followers, you can start earning directly from TikTok's Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is designed to reward creators for engaging content. So how does it work? When your content is viewed by users, TikTok compensates you based on video engagement. Although having followers can help increase the chances of your video being seen, you can still join the Creator Fund early on if you meet certain requirements. You'll need to apply to the fund through the TikTok app, and while the criteria may vary, you'll typically need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 video views in the last 30 days, and post original content. The key here is consistency. Create and post engaging videos frequently, even without followers, to kickstart your journey. Tap into affiliate marketing. How can you make money by promoting products, even with 0 followers? Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your TikTok account, even when starting from scratch. The concept is simple. Promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Now you might be thinking, how can I promote something if no one's watching? Here's the secret. You don't need followers to start promoting products. By joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, you can generate affiliate links and share them in your TikTok videos. For example, if you create a video about a useful product, include your affiliate link in the caption. When viewers click on it and make a purchase, you get paid. Leverage TikTok's e-commerce features. What if you could sell products directly through TikTok, bypassing third-party platforms? Did you know that TikTok has an inbuilt e-commerce feature called TikTok Shop? This feature allows you to sell products directly within the app. Even without followers, you can upload your products, create videos showcasing them, and start selling them to a global audience. To monetize via TikTok Shop, simply apply as a seller, list your products, and start making content that highlights them. Use product tags in your videos to give viewers a direct way to purchase what you're promoting. With TikTok's focus on e-commerce, you can start selling and earning, all from within the app itself. Work with brands for sponsored content. Could you be the next influencer, even without a following? You might think that brands only partner with creators who have thousands or even millions of followers. But that's not always the case. Sponsored content deals can happen at any stage, as long as your content aligns with a brand's goals and target market. Reach out to small businesses or local brands whose products match your style or niche. Send them a pitch email explaining how your content can benefit their brand. Whether you're creating content about beauty products, fitness, or tech gadgets, you may find that brands are willing to pay for a well-crafted video, even without a massive following. Be sure to deliver high-quality, engaging content to catch their attention. Offer services or digital products. What if your skills could become your source of income? Are you a photographer, graphic designer, fitness coach, or expert in any field? TikTok allows you to showcase your talents and promote your services or digital products. Let's say you're a fitness trainer. Create engaging workout videos and link your services in the bio or video description. Or, if you have a graphic design business, create TikToks explaining design tips and offer custom designs through your website. With TikTok's reach, you have the chance to target potential clients who are interested in what you offer. Even with 0 followers, sharing your expertise can turn into a sustainable income stream. Utilize TikTok's Live Gifts feature. Can you earn money directly from your live streams without a follower base? TikTok allows creators to receive virtual gifts during live streams, which can be converted into real money. These gifts come from viewers who enjoy your content, and they can send them in the form of coins during live broadcasts. While it's easier to collect gifts with a larger following, you can still host live streams around topics you're passionate about. You can talk about your favorite hobbies, review products, or even just chat with your viewers. If your content is entertaining and engaging, viewers may send gifts, giving you a way to earn money, even without a big following. Collaborate with other creators. Could partnering with others give you a shortcut to monetization? Collaboration is a powerful tool on TikTok, and even if you're starting from scratch, working with others can help you reach a broader audience. When you collaborate with creators who already have followers, their audience gets exposure to your content, potentially increasing your followers. Find creators within your niche or related fields and pitch ideas for collaborations. Once you start collaborating, you can reach new audiences, grow your following, and open up monetization opportunities like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Promote your TikTok on other platforms. Can cross-promoting help you grow your TikTok presence faster? To gain more traction on TikTok, promote your content on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube. Cross-promoting your TikTok videos can help you gain followers more quickly, and a larger audience means more monetization potential. Share your TikTok videos on Instagram stories, tweet about your new content, or create a blog post linking to your TikTok. As you drive more traffic to your TikTok profile, you'll naturally start to see more engagement and monetization opportunities. Create a consistent posting schedule. Could consistency be the key to monetizing TikTok? Building an income on TikTok requires consistency. Even without followers, if you post high-quality videos consistently, you're more likely to get noticed by the algorithm. The more content you have, the higher your chances of getting featured on TikTok's For You page. Aim to post at least once a day and stay true to your niche. Whether you're posting comedy skits, tutorials, or product reviews, consistency keeps you in the TikTok algorithm, making it easier to eventually land monetization opportunities. Stay informed and adapt to TikTok trends. What if staying updated on trends could skyrocket your chances of success? TikTok is driven by trends. Jumping on trending hashtags, challenges, or viral sounds can dramatically increase your content's reach. Keep an eye on the trends and try to incorporate them into your content. Even without followers, using viral sounds or participating in popular challenges can get your videos in front of a larger audience, increasing your chances of monetizing. Being adaptive to changes in TikTok's algorithm or trending content helps you stay relevant, attracting views and potential income from new avenues. Are you ready to turn your passion for TikTok into a money-making venture? You don't need a massive following to start making money on TikTok. With the right strategies, you can begin monetizing from day one. Even if you have 0 followers, focus on creating quality content, explore different monetization methods, and stay consistent in your efforts. So, what do you think? Could you imagine how powerful TikTok could be for your financial future? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to watch more exciting videos and tips to earn money.